Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Windows 11 25 H2 not showing in Windows Update setting. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, let's start the video. The first method is right click on taskbar and click here task manager option. After that guys, click here run new task and type here under this box gpedit.msc and check this checkbox. Click here OK. Now guys, click here administrative templates. Expand this. Now guys, click here Windows components. Expand this and find here Windows Update and double click on it. And after that guys, you can see here manage Windows Update offered from Windows Update. Okay, now double click on it. Now guys, find here select the target feature update version. Okay, click on it and click here edit. Right click on it and click here edit option. Now select this enable option. Okay, enabled and type here target version 25 H2. Okay, and type here Windows 11 space 11. Okay, 25 H2 and click here apply, and after that guys click here OK button. Okay, this is the first method. Close this window. Now we are going for next method. Click here taskbar, click here task manager option. Now guys, click here run new task and type here regedit and check this checkbox and click here OK. Registry editor will open here. Now guys, select here local machine, expand it, click here software, expand it, and guys scroll down and find here policies. Expand these policies, click here Microsoft and expand it, and after that guys, find here Windows and expand it. Now right click on it and click here key and type here Windows Update. Same as it is, type here name if this key is not added here. Okay. Now click on it and right click on it and click here string value. Now type here name, product, same as it is, product version. Okay. Now modify it, right click on it and modify and type here Windows 11, same as it is, click here OK. Now guys, right click again here and click here string value and type here target release version, PRSION and info and right click on it modify and type here 25H2. Click here OK. Now right click and default 32-bit select here and type here target release version. Okay, and right click on it and type here 1 and OK. Now close this window, click here start and restart your PC. Log in again, click here start button, click here settings, and after that guys click here Windows Update, and you can see here 25H2 version is displayed here. Okay, you can see here 25H2. If this is not download, automatically download it and installed. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.